In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and choosing More Connections. Now click on Printing, Default Print Service, and lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, disable this one first. Go back, click on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. Then go back to the same settings and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!